is my new YouTube channel that I'm starting or relaunching. I've been doing makeup and experimenting with a lot of different things, and now I feel like I'm ready to just jumpstart my YouTube channel. You know, it takes a lot to be able to comfortably speak in front of the camera. I'm soft-spoken, and I just feel like it's time for me to get out of my shell and, you know, and start this. This is something that I wanted to do for a while. So those are my new beauty cards for makeup. So I'm going to be doing tutorials. I hope you guys like it. This is just my intro, raw, natural during quarantine. This is my natural hair. So this is just a step-by-step on the contour. I use Maybeline concealer in the color Cafe underneath my eyes, my temple, my nose, and my jawline. And I really like that shade for me. I really like that color out of all the concealers that I've used. But the foundation stick I used on my cheekbones, I used Black Radiance. And the color Espresso, and it has like a little brush at the end where you could also blend it out. And then I also have the Revolution baking powder, which I am brushing the excess product under my eyes, and I got that from Ulta. So that's my Fenty Beauty highlighter, and I use the color Sangria. So this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys come back to my channel. Please subscribe to Glam Master Lex.